welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to create this dot mandala painting by just using two colors. I have done this video especially for those beginners who have just started learning dot mandala. So do watch the video till the end. And guys, I still see that most of you are watching my videos without subscribing. So please do subscribe and press that bell icon for more updates. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So materials you're gonna need are 8-inch round canvas, acrylic paints, dotting tools, compass, protractor and varnish. So here I have taken 8-inch round canvas and I am painting the canvas with black acrylic paint as a base coat. I'll provide all the materials link in the description box. You can check out from there. So after the paint dries completely, I am marking the grid lines using a protractor. And then I am drawing few circles using a compass. So I'll start with the golden dot at the center. Then for the next circle I am using teal blue color and I am placing small dots around it. Now I'll keep same teal blue color dots in the next circle as well. Similarly, I'll keep one more circle of teal blue color dots. As you can see, I am gradually increasing the size of the dots. Now I am placing few tiny dots to fill in the place between the previous dots. So similarly for the next circle also, I am placing golden dots followed with the tiny dots in between. Now I will keep some straight swipes using gold and teal blue color. Here I am using both the colors alternatively. So as you can see, here first I am placing a dot and then dragging it to a swipe. Now for the next circle, I will keep few more swipes slightly bigger than the previous one. Guys, if you are enjoying this process, then please don't forget to press that like button so that my videos will be recommended to more audience and also help me to grow my channel. So please don't forget to press that like button. And if you have any doubts regarding this dot mandala painting, do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely answer all your doubts. If you are interested in buying any of my arts, you can check out my Etsy shop. I'll provide the link in the description box. Coming to the video, here I am placing few golden dots in between these swipes. And now for the next circle, I am first placing golden dots following the lines. Now I will keep some smaller dots on the golden dots and working out the dots around the golden dot. Then for the next layer, I'll keep some golden dots. I'll keep a bigger dot and swipe it to the center. So So similarly, for the last circle also, I am following the same pattern like I did for the previous circle. And guys, if you are enjoying this process, then please don't forget to press that like button so that my videos will be recommended to more audience and also help me to grow my channel. So please don't forget to press that like button. I am filling these spaces using teal, blue and gold color stripes. So I am gonna complete it by applying varnish to seal the painting. And that's it guys, we are done with this dot mandala painting. I hope this video was helpful. If you like my videos, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.